If it grows, it goes.
If it grows, it
So
goes.
any
Oh my gosh. Good morning, friends. I am Trey, aka Pushsage, and I am here today at Perkins Orchard in Durham, North Carolina. I'm here because, well, it's part of the prep for my next trip. I'll be glamping in Henderson, North Carolina as of tomorrow. And today I came to get a butternut squash and some nice juicy apples. All right, let's go find those. Still got some Halloween merch, I see. Look at that spider. And they sell fruit cups. Ooh. This is the pumpkin area. Yeah. And what was your name again?
My name is Brian.
Brian?
Yeah, Brian Spann. I'm Donovan's photographer, and I also work here at Perkins Orchard. I've been knowing Donovan now, known of him since 2010, but I've literally been knowing him more than that since 2020.
Okay.
He actually gave me my first photography job, and so I've been
That's
working with him
incredible.
ever since. And, you know, coming down with the camera, and then this year, he said, look, man, I'd love for you to come and work with me, and I told him I'd love to, because this young man is doing great things in the city of Durham.
Okay, yeah.
So let's come on, follow me over here. And so basically, all of this started in the front yard there. I call this the secret entrance to the bat cave. That's what I call this. But in the front yard, as you see Donovan standing with his beloved grandfather who passed away in 2019.
Oh, yeah.
He was a pastor in Apex, North Carolina, and one of the founders of Apex School of Theology, Reverend Perkins. And so in 1970, he started all of this in the front yard, just as a casual community fruit stand. As you can see here on this picture from 1970 until 2012, this is how it actually looked. And basically, it was on an honor system. He trusted that people would pick their fruit and vegetables, and they would put their money in the money box. They would go on by the merry way, happy as as normal. And this is actually one of the first structures that was built in South Durham. But here we do this thing called the $25 bag deal.
Okay.
Donovan wanted to make sure that the community would have something that can, as an incentive to go along with that. We have this little slogan we say with this bag.
Yeah.
If it grows, it goes.
If it grows, it
So
goes.
any growing produce that's under this roof that you consider growing produce, that's anything minus, eggs, cheese,
Yeah.
what else, jar goods, any type of sealed item, those garden produces can be put in this bag. As you can see, this bag is about a quarter of a bushel size. So it looks small until you open it up.
Yeah.
But it's about a quarter of a bushel.
Yeah, you can fit some good stuff in there.
Oh yeah, and people do it every day. And this is an everyday thing. So you fill this bag up, and he's gonna give you a gift to go along with it. He said you're right behind his house. He doesn't want you to feel nickel and dime. So he's gonna make sure that you get a gift. So today's gift that'll go with this, You can either choose one of three items.
Okay.
Either a head of cabbage, or 3 ears of corn,
Okay.
or our star famous, and I have to call it star famous because people fuss when we don't have it. They wait until this time of the year to get it, our apple juice.
I'm definitely
This
getting
is
the apple juice.
farm-grown apple juice.
Okay, that's gonna be my free gift. Yeah.
It's not sold throughout the whole year. It's sold normally during pumpkin season.
Yeah.
We had 350 of these apple juice, jugs of apple juice. What was it? 2 Saturdays ago. Mm-hmm. By the time that next Saturday got here, we had to reorder because we were down to like 30. Mm. We reordered that same Saturday and got them in. We was out by Thursday.
Jesus.
We just got these back in.
That must be some good juice, man.
It is, man. I always pick at people when they come in. I said, if anybody else is in your house, whoever races to get the first drink, you're not going to share it.
Oh, no.
So as you can see, we got the different type of squash here. I know you was asking about the butternut.
Yeah.
So we got the acorn squash, and then we got some over here as well. But you can see all of what we have here. So we also have another thing that we have going on that we do during pumpkin season called the $99 pumpkin deal.
Oh.
So let's walk out here. Let me show you how this works.
Yes, sir. Please show me that.
Man, we sold over 70,000 pumpkins between April and now.
That's incredible, bro.
So here's how the pumpkin deal works. $99. You can see right here. Mm-hmm. People will come out here and grab one of these wagons.
Okay.
And as you can see the example, you will fill a green cart. Now here's the thing. Put as many pumpkins as you can in there. Mm-hmm. But the trick is you have to get it down the hill and in front of us to see that you're not putting your hands on the pumpkins to keep them in the wagon.
Wow.
See, almost like playing jingle with it. You'd be surprised. 90-some% of the time the people are doing that and it's not falling out. So if it falls out and you still want it, get it back up here on the hill and make sure you can hold it. If not, then that's the one you got to take off. Because we don't want you to leave it without anything.
Right, yeah.
You fill that pumpkin wagon up, take it down there, and for $99 for that deal, this $25 bag gift is inclusive with it.
Wow.
The gift that's also inclusive with this, and also one of our jarred products with our logo on it.
That's incredible, man.
So you're really getting about $140 worth of items for like $99.
Yeah.
And to be honest with you, you're really getting more than that because the prices of these pumpkins range anywhere from sugar pies at $7 to Kronos pumpkins to $50. So you're really getting a bigger deal than just that. Now we're a little low right now on our meat because people come here and they get this stuff. Because like I said, he has about 300 acres of land with livestock. We have various parts of chicken.
Wow. Look at that, all fresh too.
Oh yeah, this is all fresh from the farm. So you're not getting this from a third party. This is coming directly from the farmers that's been processed there.
Yes.
I mean, how many places like this do you know gonna carry oxtail?
They got hot sales here.
Brother, look. This is not artificial intelligence, y'all. This is real oxtail.
Wow.
$17.50. That's not a bad price
for oxtail.
For what you're gonna pay when you get it cooked for you at a restaurant.
And like I said, no third party. Wow.
I mean, right now you can see we carry ribeyes.
Yeah.
We even have right now, which I haven't even tasted this yet. Goat chops.
Goat chops. You sell goat chops.
Goat chops, not pork chops.
Goat
not
chops.
Lamb. We do have lamb chops sometimes, but now we got goat chops. Grandmother, I like those old school recipes.
Yeah.
So the name of the company from Albemarle, North Carolina, is Old School.
Old School. That's the name of the company.
Yeah, they specialize in old school recipes.
Wow.
Out of Albemarle, North Carolina. So you know, if you're a cookie monster, sweet cookie. Now we have the molasses cookie mix here.
Okay.
But the sugar cookies and the chocolate chip cookies, that's the bomb. I'm big on the chocolate chip cookies. I can even tell you how. Look, 8 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 beaten egg is all you need. Once you grind it up, roll it out, cut it in about 1 inch, separate it in 2 inches, 21 cookies, 8 to 10 minutes in the oven. Sit it out for 15 minutes. After that, you're not watching Netflix. Netflix is watching
you. Exactly.
Cheddar cheese.
Y'all make fresh cheese too?
Yeah, it comes from our farm. We have a farm up there that makes this. We have a farm that makes that mountain sharp cheddar cheese. We have hoop cheese. The one wrapped in black is the sharp, and we don't have the one in the red, but the red is the mild. You can see the big ham pieces up in here. Chicken broth, all type of soup mixes.
That's incredible.
This is how we run every day.
That's what's up, man.
And then he built this little bridge over here.
Yeah, I
with
seen
the
that.
palm trees because he wanted to let people know that we're 400 feet above sea level and that we're not as far from the ocean as you think. So we're 3 hours from the ocean, 4.5 hours from the mountains. You're right in the middle of the best thing you can ever get to.
Exactly.
This is also what I understand is to be the largest and only lasting privatized fresh market in the whole state.
It's one of the few. Or just the only?
The only one right now.
Only
because
one?
A lot of them are mobile.
Wow.
Like they set up and then they take their stuff down. This right here is like it is every day. And we're the only location in this area that sell Christmas trees that's not in a random parking lot.
See, now I know where to get my tree from
Exactly.
now. That's
So I want
something.
to thank you for coming out here and checking this out.
And thank you for
Please
showing
have
me.
at it and everything.
Yeah.
Get that apple juice, brother.
I'm gonna get the apple juice.
And where you from, man?
I'm from Fayetteville.
Oh,
But
you from the Ville?
I'm from the Ville.
That's what we call it, the Ville.
But I've been in Raleigh for about 7-8 years now.
Perkins Orchard. If you go to Perkins Orchard on Facebook, you have Perkins Orchard on TikTok. We've got Perkins Orchard on Instagram, and a lot of people find us on TikTok.
Yeah.
So we have a presence on all of those presences there. I mean, I'm sorry, all those social medias. Hey, we just want people to come out here and experience natural, organic food.
Okay.
That's what we want people to do, man, because there's not too many farmers that are out there, man.
Yeah, not a lot. Not a
And
lot.
we're trying to help keep the farmers going because we don't need a bunch of genetic modified stuff.
Do you have any personal ones you want to shout out as well?
Well, you know, they call me the Spam Man. So I'm a photographer, Spam Man Media. You can find me on Facebook at Brian C. Span or Span, SPANNMAN Media. Instagram, Spam Man Media. LinkedIn is Brian C. Span as well.
Okay.
So I want to shout out to all the homies out there. Oh, yeah, and by the way, Eagle Pride Amplified, baby. NCCU all day long.
And that, my friends, was a tour of Perkins Orchard. You guys follow Brian. He's a cool dude. Now, other than that, he mentioned the $25 bag and the freebie. So I'm going to get a $25 bag worth of goodies with my freebie, which will be that incredible apple juice that he was talking about earlier. I cannot wait to sample it when I get home. Let's go.
Young kids don't have that today.
I think I found my apples, y'all.
Since COVID started, he's been open every day.
That really was left. Look at the cabbage a quarter, son. Thank you, Brian.
So technically, what we all right, have a good one.
Tomorrow is gonna be a feast, guys. Let's get some jalapenos too.
How you doing today, man?
Doing good. How about you?
All right, welcome in.
Yeah, man. I like what you did with the place, man.
Yes, sir. It's my life's work. 21 years. Every day, every week, every month. For the past 2 decades.
Decades.
I've dedicated my life and property.
I respect the hustle, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Oh, it's the cider. Let's freaking go.
Exactly.
Sean, you doing all right back there?
Guys, I have so much stuff for 25 bucks. God is good. All right, I just want to show y'all how much stuff I got for 25 bucks. Jalapenos, mushrooms, lemons, garlic, sweet potatoes, 2 butternut squashes. You know how big those things are. All for 25 bucks and my free gift. The incredible apple cider. Oh, I can't wait till I try it. Oh yeah, and I also got tomatoes because it's part of the recipe I'm gonna try out tomorrow. Okay, now I gotta make a quick trip to Harris Teeter. Okay, I'm here at Harris Teeter for 2 reasons. One, I forgot to take out meat, and I'm forced to get their delicious baked chicken. And 2, I came here to show you guys a quick camp hack you can use. Just something simple. Alright, so as some of you know, Harris Teeter is famous for its good butchery. Alright, because they have all assortments of meats. They have ribeye steaks, New York strips. They have ground beef. They have marinated meats like burgers, kebabs, fish, shrimp. All that good stuff, guys. The choices are endless. Got crab cakes even. Look at that fresh crab right there. Crab legs, all that. They got the butters. They got all that to go with it, right? So my point is that when you're in a hurry, when you have minimal time for a camping trip, you can come here and grab the already marinated meats that you need. So for this but for this glamping trip, I really don't need anything. Now think about it, I probably will get some fresh bacon, however. My favorite would be, where it is, oh, this is my favorite, the Chipotle bacon. I'm gonna grab a pack of that. It's $6.47. Sometimes it's cheaper, but yeah, I'm gonna grab this. And as you can see, I got my lunch, the baked chicken and a potato. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say to y'all. This is a good option for when you have no time to prep anything. So that's pretty much it for today. I thank y'all for watching as always. I just want to quickly say that I'm blessed to be at 300 subscribers or something. 360 something subscribers thus far. It means I'm doing something right. I'm glad you guys are vibing with my videos. I made this to showcase my passion for the outdoors, and I guess YouTube is feeling that. So it's truly a blessing to show you guys my journey, my adventures, and I try my best to live up to your expectations, and I'll keep pushing out awesome content for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Go Perkins Orchard apple. I think